Welcome to Grade 2 English Phonics. Let's start. See the following picture and read the given sentence. They will read the book. Identify the doing word from given example. They will read the book. Let's observe. Look around yourself and write what your family members are doing right now. For example, studying, working, cooking, etc. Let us understand. We have already learnt about doing words. Doing words are also known as verbs or action words. A verb tells us what a person or a thing does. No sentence is complete without verbs. For example, in the picture, the verb is read. In the previous slide, we wrote what our family members are doing. The action words are action done by them. For example, studying, working, cooking, etc. Let's see some more examples of verbs. I sing a song. She finished her work. I will go home now. Let's read. Words like sing, finished, and will go are called verbs. We can add ed and ing to any action verb. Give examples of verbs in your daily life. Let us now quickly check our understanding of the concept learned today. Identify the verbs from the following sentences. Number 1. She is ringing the bell. Number 2. They are playing together. Number 3. Amit rides a horse. Number 4. He will clean the garden. Let us now see how many correct responses we got. Number 1. She is ringing the bell. Ringing is the action verb. They are playing together. Playing is action verb. Amit rides a horse. Rides is action verb. He will clean the garden. Will clean is the action word. Let us attend some questions related to the concept. Assessment. Complete the following sentences with correct verbs. Let us now see how many correct responses we got. Number 1. He dances beautifully. Dances is the correct verb. Number 2. I finished my homework. Finished is the verb. Number 3. I will visit him tomorrow. Will visit is the action verb. A verb. D. They play in the park. Play is the verb. E. Everyone waited for Tapan. Waited is the verb. Let us now practice the concept learnt in this chapter by doing some activities that are very interesting and fun to do. Let's start. Now we will see I teach activity. Are you ready to become the teacher? Teach the concept of verbs to your parents and family members. Activity time. Write some verbs on a chit of paper. Divide the family in two teams. One member of each team will pick up the chit and enact the verb written on it. The team has to guess the verb related to the action. The team who guesses the maximum verbs will win. Now we will see I do activity. Write two sentences to show the actions you did in past. Two sentences to show the actions you are doing in the present, and two sentences to show the actions that you will do in future. Now circle the verbs in the sentences. For the actions of past, add ed. For the actions in present, add ing. Let us now answer some questions related to the concept we have learnt in this chapter. Read the questions given in front of you and write the responses for each question. We have successfully completed this concept. But what are the skills that we have developed during this session? We have developed the skills of listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning.